Look at these floofs. Oh. Hi, Betty. Look at these little babies. I know, you too, you sweet little girl, you princess. Hi, Bubba Boo. Okay. You need all the attention. Hey, Alfred. Hi, Puppy-Doo. Look at your little toebies. Okay. Okay, you little lady. What you doing? You need all the attention? Yeah. Oh. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubba. Gotta clean your little eyeballs, too. What? What, Alfred? Oh. You gonna clean his little eyeballs? Thank you, Betty. Listen to your purrs getting all loud. What are you trying to shut the door? Oh, you crack me up. All right, well, say bye, Alfred. Did you just hiccup? How about you, Betty? You want to say bye? You seem to be the spokesperson here. No, just busy purring. Betty! Say bye.